Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, from yesterday we have started a new lesson in political science. The name of the chapter is Political Parties. Yesterday we learned about the party system, parties, the regional parties and the national parties, the concept of parties and the ideology of parties. Today we will see the functions of political parties. Since we know a political party is an organization of the same-minded people who put forward their ideologies, their agenda, and get these ideas into practice after they win the election. Now we will see what are the functions of political parties in a democratic setup. Political parties, first of all, they contest elections. Political parties in most of the democracies contest elections by putting up their candidates in the political arena. It takes a passage of time in this process, which you will learn in future, how the elections are contested. Political parties make laws. If the political parties who are in power makes laws for the states and for the whole nation, for the whole country. How these laws are made, there is a separate procedure of parliament. When a party wins the majority and it makes the government, then its legislatures make the necessary laws. Political parties make and run the government. The party which wins the majority in the election gets the chance to make the government and runs the government according to the policies and ideology of that very particular party. They run the government as per their agenda. They work for the benefit of people. They take the suggestions of the people who have casted their votes to them and made them their representatives. Similarly, the party who loses in the election, it remains in the opposition, does the role of opposition. It is one of the functions of the political parties. Those parties who are unable to form the government perform the role of opposition and try to raise and highlight vital issues, especially highlight these issues on which government seems to have failed. This opposition party always looks the failures of the government, looks the lacunas of the majority party, the government running party, and highlight these issues in the opposition. Making public opinion. Political parties raise those issues in public which government is unable to handle. Similarly, political parties provide access to the government machinery. Government machinery means the various departments, public departments, which are under the control of government. These political parties look into the matters of the different departments, these public service departments. If anyway there is there is need of some revolution, there is need of some inclination, there is need of addition and alteration. The political parties guides the department, and similarly the department, these machinery, the government machinery uh, acts upon their instructions. We can say that political parties, whether it is in majority party or whether it is in minority party, whether it is in opposition, both have to work for the benefit of the nation, both have to give their positive, apply their positive approach for the benefit of the people and for the sake of the nation. So, my dear students, we see the various functions which these political parties have, whether they are in power, whether they are in opposition. These, by utilizing these powers, by making laws, by looking after the nature of the works in the public, these political parties work together for the benefit of the public, for the benefit of their subjects, and similarly for the whole benefit of the nation. So, my dear students, this was today's lesson about the functions of the political parties. Let's go ahead, inshallah, tomorrow. Thank you very much.